Hi and welcome to Real Binary Options Reviews. So in previous videos we saw how we can use the stochastic indicator, RSI and directional movement indicator to predict successful trades for binary options trading. In this video I want to show you how you can use the Fibonacci indicator. Now Fibonacci is a measurement tool that will tell you where are the certain support and resistance levels according to the history of the price movement. And I'm going to show you how this works. Now here we have the euro-dollar chart open, but I'm going to open a new euro-dollar chart. Here I want to have an empty chart, and let's say I'm going to open 5-minute chart. And here I'm going to change it to the euro-dollar. And I'm going to change the display of the chart. I want to have it like the candlesticks. And I'm going to close this window. And I just want to show you the use of the Fibonacci tool on the simple empty chart without any other indicators. Now when you click here, you will get the Fibonacci retracement tool. So I just want to adjust the levels. So I'm going to draw a line here, and I'm going to click on it and click Edit. And now I want to enter additional level here. As you can see, we have some levels defined, which are 23, 38, 50, 61, 100, and 161, and then some other levels. And I'm going to change this last level, and I'm going to enter a value of 127 and click OK. So now these levels, I'm going to show you how to use it. So I'm going to remove this indicator, and I want to find a trend. You can see here I'm having an upwards trend from this position where the price was on the lowest level and this position where the price was on the highest level. So I'm going to draw my Fibonacci retracement from the highest position, meaning from the right to the left side. I'm going to draw the lines here. And now, if we go a little bit further, you can see this level here. Now, let me just adjust and add another level. So as I did before, I have to write 127 here, and I'm going to click here, Set as Default. Okay, so now you can see these levels. So basically I drew a line on the trend, and you can see this is a level 100, and here you can see the level 127, and here you can see the level 161.8. So let us see what is happening. Basically, these levels are acting like support and resistance lines. So you can see once the price touched, let's say here, it touched the level 50, it turned around and it went upwards. And again, on the level 50, it turned around. So basically, all these horizontal levels are kind of support and resistance lines. And here, when you see the price broke below the level 50, it again turned around, it continued its trend to the level 127, which again acted as the resistance level. So we had a small resistance down, but this is on the 5-minute chart. So here you would be able to make a trade, let's say with 5-minute expiry, it would be a winning trade. And then the trend is continuing upwards to the level of 161.8, and then it turns around. So let's add another indicator. We're going to add, let's say, stochastic. And let's see how this can help us. And if we are trading, let's say, the strategy where we use the stochastic line and we say we want to enter trades down when the stochastic is above the green line. So how to find the position when to enter the trade. As you can see, the price is constantly above the green line. So the first idea is to enter the trade on the first level which the price touches. So in this case it's 127 and the stochastic is above the green line. So if I'm making 5-minute trades, I'm making the first trade here with 5-minute expiry. Again, the price touched the Fibonacci retracement tool level of 127 and the stochastic told me that the price is high. So I'm expecting a short reversal to the downside. And I'm not trading the next touch because the price already reversed and we already see the next break. So here I'm not trading down. I want to see the price touch the next level, which is basically 161.8 here. So in this case, I would make a trade when this red candle, when the price broke above the level 161. So here I would make the trade down. So this would mean 2 successful trades based on the Fibonacci tool and the stochastic. Now I want to show you this same chart with 1-minute bars. And again, here we are seeing these levels. I drew a trend line here. I drew a Fibonacci line here. And based on this measurement, which we made on the 5-minute chart, it's this uptrend. So now we're going back to 1-minute chart. So based on this measurement, we're getting these levels. And these levels, again, represent the potential turning points for the price. So as you can see here, we're in a strong uptrend. But once the price reached 127 level, we had a turning down. And if we would enter 5-minute expiry trade, this would be a winning trade. And the next level is here. So when this green candle touched the level, we are trading down, or even if we would trade before, we would still make a winning trade with 5-minute expiry. So let me see if I can find a situation where I can use the Fibonacci tool, let's say together with the stochastic indicator. So I'm going to open some of these charts. And Fibonacci tool basically works best in the trending markets. So you saw some strategies or some indicators that you can use in the ranging markets. But for trending markets, let's say Fibonacci tool is very good, and especially the reversals of the price on the levels of 127 and 161.8. So I just want to see if I get a situation here. Okay, so here we are having a reversal. I'm going to open this chart on the 1-minute chart, on the 5-minute chart. And let me just zoom in. Or let's say first I want to draw a Fibonacci line here. So I'm going to take this last trend you can see here. I'm going to zoom in a little bit. So I'm going to measure. Let's say I'm going to measure this last trend. So the highest point of the price was here, and the lowest point of the price was here. And I'm going to zoom in a little bit more. So this is again on the 5-minute chart, and you can see how the price is acting. When the price crossed the level 23.6, we had a reversal, and next reversal was basically, the first reversal was on the level 38.2, which is here, on the first cross of this support line, and the next was on the 23.6. Now, if I would want to trade up, Here I would probably want to wait until the price touches this lowest level, which is basically the level 0. So it means the price would return to its previous position. So basically for now I'm not trading this. Maybe I can also add the directional movement indicator. And let's see what is the directional movement indicator telling me. So here we can see we had a strong uptrend. We had a green line above the red line. We had an uptrend, and then the lines crossed, and this means that we had a drop of the price. So we don't know basically how far the price will go before we can expect the reversal. And we can take a look at 1 minute chart. So you can see the price reached the level 23.6, and now the stochastic is below the red line, but still this is not enough of the confirmation for me, because here you can see we are having a red line constantly above the green line. It means it has strong potential to develop into a downtrend, at least until it reaches the level 0 of the Fibonacci tool. So I'm just going to browse a little bit through other currencies. And let us see what kind of situation we have here. So first I'm going to add directional movement, and you can see we are not having a clear trend up or down. We are having the stochastic high, and the price is touching the upper Bollinger Band. So I just want to draw a Fibonacci tool, let's say from this level to this top here, and let's see what is happening here. So basically we're having the first cross of the Fibonacci level at 38.2. So when this candle was high, this was a situation to trade down. And I want to show you one other thing. Let's say now the price is back. It's trying to touch the level 38.2 and cross back. So now it's a good situation to trade, let's say, 1 minute trade to go up. So I'm counting on the first bounce of this level. I want to see a first green candle form here, and then maybe to expect for the price to continue down. So, but I would have to be fast. I would have to enter this trade when this red candle closed. So if I would make a 60 seconds trade, let's say I could trade this here. And maybe I can still make it. So basically this is the US dollar yen. So I'm going here, I'm going to select turbo options, and I want to open the US dollar yen, and I want to see what's happening on the chart. I'm just going to make a 10 euro trade here. So I want to see what's happening on the chart, and the price is consolidating in this area. So we still might see movement downwards or movement up. But I'm getting a green line here above the red line. So I'm just going to enter a fast trade, 60-second trade for the US dollar yen to go up. And as you can see now, okay, might be a good position to enter the trade. So now it's a good position. I'm trading 60 seconds trade up. Now it seems it didn't accept my trade because I have a problem with my mouse button. But It is still a good position. So US dollar yen. And now we can see the price is consolidating in this area. So I don't know if I should enter this trade or not. If you're not secure about your trades, if you're not confident, it's better not to enter the trade. However, you can see if I would enter the trade, maybe it would be a winning trade. So let's try to find another situation. I just want to demonstrate the Fibonacci measurement tool in one more example. So basically how you use the Fibonacci tool is to draw it in the trends. So I can use it here, let's say, the Euro-Yen. So 1 minute chart. So if this price goes up, I'm basically waiting until it reaches the level of 127, and I'm waiting until the price reaches this level or crosses this level and the stochastic is high, and at this moment I would be trading down, let's say with 5-minute expiry. So now I drew the Fibonacci tool on the 1 minute chart here, and these trends are much shorter, and also when the reversals happen on the Fibonacci lines, there are much shorter reversals. So just want to prepare my trade for the Euro-Yen. And in this case, I would make 5-minute expiry trade. And let's say I would invest 25 euro in this trade. I want to trade it down. And I want to wait until the green candle touches this level of 127. So we are very close to this level. And sometimes when the stochastic is high and RSI is high, we would already see the reversal happen. So if I catch it on the high level, I'm just going to enter this trade as soon as possible. So I'm going to enter this trade now. Okay, so I want to show you, I entered my Euro-Yen trade here. Maybe I should have wait until it touched the 127 level, but sometimes you will see the price react a bit sooner, and sometimes it will cross this level before it reacts. And I entered this trade a bit earlier because I saw that the stochastic indicator was quite high, and you can see the RSI is on the level 91, which is very high level. So I didn't want to miss this opportunity, and I hope I gave it enough time, which is 5 minutes, to expire as a winning trade. So you can still see price moving upwards a little bit, and I'm just going to fast forward this. We will see what will happen when the price touches the Bollinger level and if we get a reversal. So now you can see this effect. Basically the price is dropping, and this is the effect of the resistance line of the Fibonacci resistance at the level of 127. So all these lines which you are getting here are basically support and resistance levels, and when the price touches one of these levels, it has a tendency to turn around. Now this will not happen at all the times, but it is good to combine it, let's say, with a stochastic indicator and the RSI indicator, and at this moment, with the help of the Fibonacci tool, you can get quite some profitable trades. So the best way to test this is to read the description of this video and also visit the website at www.realbinaryoptionsreviews.com. You will get more information, how to set up the charts, how to use the trading strategies, and also what are good brokers to trade different strategies. So we're going to wait until this trade expires. We're going to see if it will be a winning trade or a losing trade, and this will conclude this video about the Fibonacci lines. So the best way is to test it by yourself, open the charts and draw these Fibonacci lines on the charts and see what's happening with the price when it touches some of these levels. So until we wait for the trade to expire, I just want to show you on the OptionBit trading platform, the trade is displayed in the green box here, and if it's the green box, it means that your trade is a winning one. If you are getting a red box, it means that in this exact time the trade is a losing one, but it's only important that the box is in the green once the time expires. As you can see here, this is the chart displayed here, and if the price will be in the blue zone once the time expires, it means it will be a winning trade. And as you can see here, the Fibonacci line acted as the resistance level, and with this and you can also see that my trade expired in the green and already the account balance is updated. So I just want to show you another option here, and I'm going to add average directional movement index, directional movement index, and you can see we are getting the green line above the red line, which means we are in the uptrend. So again, the price is very near the Fibonacci line 100, and this means this line also acts as a support line now, and I can make another trade up because now I'm trading based on the directional movement indicator. So I would make trade up, let's say with 2 minutes expiry. So Euro Yen, I'm making a 2-minute trade up with 25 euro investment, and I'm entering now because I see the price broke the Fibonacci line. So the price broke here, and I'm trading 2 minutes expiry. For the price to go up, I'm just counting on the short-term reversal of the price, and for this resistance level, for this Fibonacci line to hold. And as you can see, I'm getting a small reversal here, and I hope it lasts for the next 2 minutes. So again, the use of the Fibonacci line on the short-term trading example here. Now I'm going to click on this box to see what's going to happen. So if it would be a 1-minute trade, it would expire now. It would be a winning trade, and I hope it lasts for 2 minutes. So I'm going back to my charting software. So it's 15 more seconds until this trade expires. And sometimes you would also see the movement in the last few seconds. So I want to check it on the platform. And the trade just expired. I think it was in the green. And my account balance is already updated. As you can see, it was a winning trade. And now you can see the price is just dropping back with the next candle. So we just took the advantage of this Fibonacci line to just make a short-term trade with 1 minute or 2 minute expiries. So in this video I demonstrated a few examples on how to use the Fibonacci lines. I hope this can help you in your trading. And again, if you need more information, if you're looking for good trading videos, strategies, brokers, systems, please visit www.realbinaryoptionsreviews.com. So thank you for watching this video and good luck with your trading.